the obstacle course.
Obstacle course.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Give me a
One.
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Time to hold me like a koala while Mama does the work.
Careful. Cody, I see you. Be careful. Careful. Uh-oh. Cody, I can see you, Cody.
Hi.
Cody. Uh-oh, watch out, watch out. There's somebody a little rough.
Ready?
Ready, Cody?
Hold on to me. I think I just got a splinter in my butt. Again? Through all of that? We're gonna go on the swing, on the slide again.
Wanna go in the slide? Ready to go in the slide?
Prepare yourself.
Oh,
Cody.
Freddie seemed like everybody from Bailey.
Careful.
Hold on.
Cody, I can see you.
Ready? Let's flip you around. Then go. Oh.
Hi, Cody. Uh-oh, there you go.
Tell me when I'm running.
Okay, wait.
When I can go.
Yeah, it's clear. You can come.
1.
Check on his legs.
Ready? Legs straight in front of you. Hold on. Keep your arms and legs inside the mom at all times.
Ready?
Ready? We're coming.
Legs are in.
Legs are in beside the mom at all times.
Okay.
1, 2, go, go.
Oh, good job, Cody. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You did it. You did it. You and Mama did it. Ready to go
High five.
have something to eat?
High five.
High five to Mama. Yes, good job. Pobre Mama está cansada ahora. All done?
Let's go.
All done. All done.